Adventure motorcycles have never been more popular. From globetrotting riders to weekend explorers, the demand for versatile machines that can handle long-distance touring while still being trail-ready continues to grow. But while heavyweight adventure bikes dominate the headlines, a growing number of riders are looking for something smaller, lighter, and more accessible, without sacrificing capability. That's where the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure steps in. Completely redesigned from the ground up, this latest generation of KTM's small-bore adventure machine delivers a fresh platform, new engine, updated electronics, and a stronger off-road focus. The result is a bike that looks and feels like a scaled-down version of KTM's rally machines, yet remains practical and approachable for everyday use. New design, new identity. The most immediate impression of the 2025 390 Adventure is how different it looks from its predecessor. KTM didn't simply tweak styling. It built an entirely new motorcycle. The bike now rolls on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, instantly signaling its more aggressive off-road intent. The chassis has been redesigned for balance and durability, and the bike wears rally-inspired bodywork, complete with a tall windscreen and high fenders. Despite the rugged looks, KTM didn't forget the realities of adventure riding. A larger 3.7-gallon fuel tank gives the bike practical range for longer trips, while a wider, more supportive seat provides improved comfort over hours in the saddle. Fully fueled, it weighs in at just 388 pounds, a figure that makes it one of the lightest true adventure bikes on the market. For riders intimidated by the sheer bulk of big-bore ADV machines, this lean profile makes the 390 Adventure immediately approachable, without diluting its adventurous DNA. A small engine with a big personality. At the heart of the new model is KTM's updated 399 cubic centimeters LC4C single-cylinder engine, producing 44 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 29 lb-ft of torque at 7,000 RPM. The numbers may not match larger competitors, but the way the engine delivers power makes it feel lively and versatile. The motor shines with a split personality, docile at low RPM, where it's smooth and easy to manage, yet eager and energetic once spun up. This makes the bike equally comfortable plodding along a rocky trail or attacking a winding mountain road. Importantly, KTM tuned the torque to arrive earlier in the rev range, a decision that benefits real-world off-road riding where tractable, predictable power is often more useful than peak output. On open roads, the engine is engaging enough to entertain seasoned riders, but forgiving enough for newcomers, something not all single-cylinder adventure bikes can claim. Suspension built for serious terrain. KTM equips the 390 Adventure with long-travel WP Apex suspension that offers a remarkable degree of adjustability. Riders can fine-tune compression and rebound settings on the fork, while the shock provides adjustable rebound damping. This flexibility allows the bike to be tailored to everything from rough off-road trails to smooth asphalt touring. The result is a machine that feels equally at home, soaking up urban potholes or tackling fire roads. Whether you're carrying luggage on a multi-day ride or stripping down for a day of trail exploration, the suspension can adapt to the load and terrain. Electronics that empower, not intimidate. One of the standout elements of the 2025 390 Adventure is its advanced electronics package. Many small displacement adventure bikes forego sophisticated rider aids, but KTM delivers features often reserved for larger and more expensive machines. The motorcycle comes with street, off-road, and rain modes, each altering throttle response and traction control behavior. In off-road mode, for instance, riders enjoy smoother throttle delivery and controlled rear-wheel slip, perfect for loose surfaces. The ABS system adapts to staying active up front, but disabling itself at the rear to allow dirt riders to slide confidently into corners. Crucially, the system remembers your last settings, sparing the rider the hassle of resetting preferences after every ignition cycle. This small but thoughtful feature reflects KTM's rider-focused approach. The 5-inch TFT display provides an intuitive interface for managing these settings, while also supporting smartphone connectivity through KTM Connect for navigation, calls, and media. Backlit switchgear and customizable quick selectors make the system easy to use, even on the move. Balanced on-road character. While the 390 Adventure R's styling suggests dirt-focused aggression, its on-road manners are surprisingly refined. The 320mm front disc brake with a Vibri 2-piston caliper offers excellent stopping power with predictable modulation. Combined with cornering ABS, the braking setup inspires confidence in both beginners and seasoned riders. On twisty canyon roads, the bike's lightweight chassis and wide handlebars make it a nimble corner carver. Despite the larger 21-inch front wheel, which can sometimes dull handling on pavement, the KTM remains agile and engaging. Riders who enjoy spirited rides on mountain switchbacks will find the Adventure are more than capable. At highway speeds, the tall windscreen offers meaningful wind protection, while the large wheels enhance stability on uneven pavement. The engine maintains a steady cruise, though some vibration creeps into the grips and pegs at higher RPM. For a single cylinder, however, the refinement is impressive and vibration never reaches the point of blurring mirrors. Everyday practicality and comfort. Beyond weekend adventures, the 390 Adventure R proves itself as a reliable daily companion. Its upright seating position, narrow frame, and wide handlebars make navigating city streets effortless. The suspension's 9 inches of travel smooths out potholes and speed bumps, making urban riding more comfortable than on many street-focused bikes. Fuel economy is another advantage. With around 69 miles per gallon achievable, combined with a 3.7-gallon tank, riders can expect well over 200 miles of range before refueling. This makes the bike as efficient for commuting as it is practical for adventure touring. The optional quick shifter enhances performance on open roads, though it's most effective at higher gears rather than during stop-and-go city riding. For riders who spend time in twisty back roads or highways, the $275 option may be well worth the investment. Designed to inspire adventure. Adventure motorcycles often carry a visual identity as much as a functional one, and the 390 Adventure R captures that essence perfectly. With tall suspension, high fenders, rugged tires, and bold KTM graphics, it looks every bit the adventurer it claims to be. For many riders, part of the joy of owning an adventure bike lies in how it makes them feel. Ready to set off at a moment's notice. And the KTM delivers that inspiration in spades.